Morning, everybody. This is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson with your August 21st weekly weather briefing. As highlights, today I'll talk a little bit about the solar eclipse that we're expecting, how it'll be warm and humid, especially in the west, and how the warmth and humidity will continue again on Tuesday. A cold front will arrive Wednesday and provide some relief from the heat, and cooler and drier conditions are expected at least across the northern half of the area Thursday through Friday. It'll be warmer with increasing moisture again on the weekend. And then I'll give a tropical outlook update. The main event that everybody's talking about today is the solar eclipse, which in our CWA is expected to have its prime effects between the hours of 1 and 2 p.m. The graphic on the bottom shows the temperatures that we're expecting in this time period and also the chance for rain. Isolated showers and thunderstorms will be possible with temperatures mainly in the lower 90s, perhaps peaking up to the mid 90s by 2 p.m. The graphic on the right is showing the expected cloud cover, which translates to partly cloudy skies. So between the isolated showers and thunderstorms and the partly cloudy skies, it should be good viewing of the solar eclipse today. Otherwise, we're seeing a continuation of warm temperatures with a very humid air mass over the area. The eclipse will provide some limitation in solar radiation, so the eastern portions of the area are not expected to experience the high enough temperatures to result in heat indices above 105. But for the rest of the area, especially in the west, we should see temperatures peaking out in the low to mid 90s with the humidity resulting in heat index values again around 105. For today, generally high pressure centered at the surface to the east of the area will be topped with a mid-level ridge also nosing in from the east. So this high pressure surface and aloft will maintain the warm temperatures and humidity over the area while limiting the coverage of showers and thunderstorms. This will allow most sites to top out in the mid 90s today, and again with isolated coverage of showers and thunderstorms mainly during the afternoon, but some may last into the early evening hours. Tonight there won't be much chance for rain left, perhaps an isolated thunderstorm down near Hattiesburg, but after that we're looking for mostly clear to partly cloudy skies across the area with slightly above normal temperatures. The normal lows for this time of year run in the lower 70s. It'll be a continuation of what we're seeing today on Tuesday, but without a solar eclipse, of course. Bridging high pressure and aloft centered east of the area will nose back across the southeast states. This will also restrict rain chances to our farther north and to our further southern zones. As it plays out, we're looking for generally a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly again during the afternoon and early evening hours, and with temperatures topping out near normal in the lower 90s. As we get into Wednesday, we'll start to see upper level troughing develop over the eastern United States. This will help send a cold front southward toward our CWA. The cold front is expected to move into northern Mississippi early in the day and slowly drift through Mississippi and the Arklamas region through the day into Wednesday evening. The models differ on how far south the front will get before Thursday, but cooler and drier air will be filtering in behind the front and limit rain chances at least across our north on Thursday into Friday. By Friday morning, if this forecast verifies, the front will be well south of our area and we'll have drier air pretty much in place across much of our county warning area. This would result in surface dew points back in the 60s, which is rather pleasant for this time of year, and cooler than normal temperatures are expected Wednesday through Friday. As we get into the weekend, the front's still supposed to be stalled just to our southwest, but we'll start to see weaker high pressure over the area. This will allow for an influx of moisture to work its way back into the region, as well as greater rain chances. As far as the general 7-day forecast centered around the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi, this graphic is meant to depict the fact that we're looking for near normal to above normal temperatures, especially today and Tuesday. But as the cold front moves in on Wednesday, the temperatures will be slightly below normal, even at night. Rain chances will be limited, especially Thursday and Friday in the wake of the front, but increase again into the weekend. The greatest rain chances through the week are expected on Wednesday with the cold front. When it's all said and done for the next 7 days, on average, we're expecting widespread rain amounts of 1 inch and perhaps a little bit higher in the north on Wednesday. As far as a tropical outlook, we're monitoring a couple troughs of low pressure. The one that's just to the southeast of the Yucatan Peninsula is associated with the remnants of Harvey. Over the next 5 days, the two furthest west waves show the greatest potential for tropical cyclone development. The remnants of Harvey is expected to redevelop as it goes through or comes out the west side of the Yucatan Peninsula. As always, thanks for viewing the National Weather Service Jackson's multimedia weather briefing, and this concludes it.